Welcome back to one more physics question. This time, we are diving into the mystery of the three identical beakers. Imagine being a scientist in the lab holding these three beakers. One is empty, one is filled with water, and the other one is filled with oil. Our mission? To uncover the density of the oil. Let's get our science caps on and dive in. Here is what we know. The first one is empty, and the mass is 103 grams. The second one is filled with water, and its mass is 361 grams. The third one is filled with oil, with a mass of 351 grams. The question is asking to find the density of the oil. Here is a critical clue. The volume of water and oil is the same. Eureka! This means once we find the volume of the water, we can use it to calculate the density of the oil. Are we ready for some calculations now? Now it's time to put everything together. Find the mass of the water by subtracting the mass of the empty beaker. Use the density of the water to calculate the volume, which is the same as the volume of the oil. Then calculate the oil density. Boom! Mystery solved! We are now official density detectives. Are you ready for some calculations? Let's go! So use this density formula and rearrange in terms of volume. Now the first step is to calculate the volume of water, which we are going to subtracting the mass of the empty beaker and the mass of the beaker filled with water. And all these divided by the density of the water. So here is the volume of the water, 258 cubic centimeters. Now the second step is to calculate the density of the oil. So again, the mass is the difference between the beaker filled with oil with the empty beaker divided by the volume of the oil, which is the same as water. So plug these values into the formula, and the density of the oil is 0.96 grams per cubic centimeters. So the answer is option A.